Hello everyone, so I'm here in the Lake District and today I'm going to be climbing up Helvellyn and going via Striding Edge. And we're pretty much going to be doing a Grisedale Horseshoe, going to be joining up onto Fairfield and then back down along Sunday Crag and back down into Patterdale. It's a fantastic day here, so I'm really looking forward to this hike and yeah, doing Striding Edge. So yeah, join me today. I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm now up at Birkhouse Moor, first wainwright of the day, and it's only really here you get to start to see, you know, the great adventure we've got ahead of us, which is Striding Edge, and you've got the Helvellyn mountain itself there. It's really looking forward to getting up onto that and then carrying on round. So let's continue. So we're just about to start Striding Edge now. Just follow this ridge line all the way up to Helvellyn. So I've just left the top of Helvellyn, Striding Edge, fantastic, and yeah, can't recommend that enough. Got to be careful, but you know, really good fun. So now we're heading straight back over to towards Dollywaggon Pike, and then down a little dip and up onto Fairfield as well. So yeah, plenty to go at still. So we're going to just carry on along here. I've just come up onto Sandal now. Quite tough coming down from Dollywaggon Pike and then back up again, and got to do it again. We're going up Fairfield and Sunday Crag. Finally back to the car, but yeah, just on the way back now. But yeah, great to be up here. So just leaving Fairfield now, and yeah, that was quite tough on the legs, but yeah, just coming round now, and yeah, it's just great to see into Lake Windermere and all the other beautiful fells over there. You know, you can see Crinkle Crags and Bowfell just off in the distance. You know, it's really fantastic being up here. So we're on the sort of the last ridge back now, and next up is Sunday Crag. So I'm just leaving St Sunday Crag now, and that was the 7th wainwright of the day. We just got an 8th one to do, but it's just the Birks and it's just on the way back. So I'm finishing up the video here, and yeah, you can just see, you know, the hills that we've come round and done. And yeah, it's been a fantastic day. I hope you've really enjoyed the video. I've certainly enjoyed the walk, and yeah, I hope to see you next time. If you've enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button as usual as well, and see you next time.